Hey, what's up guys, CMW Nerfs LP here. Today gonna be playing some War Thunder. Which ammo do I have in this week? Let's see here. I click this. Alright, open up this, open up that. Delete you. Okay, so let's see, I have 2,080. I mean 280. 2,800. Divided by 4 equals 700 rounds per gun. Alright, so no. Alright, we're just gonna take part in regular arcade with low tier, you know, biplane stuff, all reserved except for my Shika. But that's pretty much it, but it's tier 0, so. So, looks like I've almost actually completed one of my planes, mastered one of my planes. Okay. So let's see here. So you've got BB. Good. What? Legs. Oh, it did it again. It put. Oh my god. See, I want to just play in a match with just stock planes, you know. Freaking people with playing an 18112. Oh my god. What the? Bomb. What the heck? Alright, I got a kill. Sweet deal. Sweet deal.
Move! Let's go! Cover me!
She was trying to get the right one. I will cover you. Oh, alright, so we're gonna have to go into this side.
I need cover!
That scared me.
Cover me!
Oh, I was getting hit by friendly fire.
I need cover.
Oh yeah, I do like that voice better.
Attack the enemy vehicles.
What if I want?
Somebody cover me.
Oh, I got a hit. I got it. Hit. No! The kill has been stolen. Nothing we can do about it now. Except crash into enemy fighters.
We have taken the initiative.
A kill has been stolen. We'll have to move on to newer, better kills. Back! Meow! 13 minutes before repair. Cool. Yes, stealth ammo, boy. Ooh, a barrel roll. Let's see. 3 kills puts us not at the top of the leaderboard. Well, we're on top of the enemy leaderboard, that's for sure. Alright, so we're gonna have to go into some newer, better targets. There's an I-15 right here, another biplane. Or a Soviet biplane.
Attack the enemy vehicles.
He's running away, isn't he? Crap, I really shouldn't have let that guy out of my sight.
Cover me.
Oh, that was close. That was really close.
Roger that.
Is he gone?
I need cover. A little more effort and victory will be yours.
Uh-oh.
Cover me. Somebody cover me.
I would, but I don't see you.
No, sir.
I love it. There we go. Oh, he has bombs on it. Cool. Buy from the bomb. Oh, he's coming straight at me. I did not know that. He shot me down, though. He got the kill first. He got the kill before me. Ugh. Well, at least he died. No. Oh my goodness, by 1 point. Do you guys see that? He beat me by 1 point. He's randomly getting 1 point at a time, actually. I think he must hit. Okay, he's probably engaging something, and yeah. Got it. Oh, I still have tracers on. Oh. Whoop. 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 Whoop.
Destroy the enemy vehicle!
You know, ancient history, stuff like that. What was your pet dinosaur's name again? No pun intended. What was that guy even doing? He just he gained a ton of speed, yeah, but he's gonna lose a crap ton of speed also. Oh, he's turning into me. That's the best way to evade someone diving down. Oh! What a joke. No, I got an assist! And I died! What the heck? Oh, people keep stealing my kills! Stop! I did tracers again! What are you doing?
Keep it up and victory will be ours. I can't see him.
Stop stealing my kills! You stole 2 of my kills right there. Unfortunately, I keep dying before the 3rd assist, so I can't get an assist streak, which gives me 1,000 XP. I'll scare him. I just did evasive maneuvers. Well, they're not really evasive maneuvers, that's just what Landing Gamer calls them. So guess what I'm doing? Evasive maneuvers. He's barrel rolling. Alright, so I'm gonna go for this guy right here. Oh, here he is. Couple shots right up into his nose cavity.
Cover me. I'm taking damage.
5 kills, heck yeah. Okay.
A little more effort and victory will
A lot
be
of more
ours.
people are actually, playing. There are higher tier people, but playing lower tier matches like me. That's why there's a huge kill sprees. Cause I remember when I was like, a small level. But yeah, I just got a couple shots up into that guy's nose and he was gone. I'm gonna switch targets real quick, actually, never mind. Is something on me? Okay, good. Sick. I'm gonna say, no! That's what I want to say. No! Why did my teammates ram me? Why did you do it? Oh, at least I can go for stealth attack right now. Oh, oh my goodness. I got 1 kill, 0 kill. No. 3 kills, 0 kills, 1 kill, 1 kill. No. Or something like that, I don't know. I need to get... It's light fighter biplane. Light fighter / biplane. Yeah, I got lag 3, just got 8 kills. Well, duh, he's first in biplanes because he's in a low tier match.
Let's keep the pressure on. Victory.
Their highest guy has 2 kills.
Defend the base. I need cover.
No, you don't. No. You know what, tree? You know what, tree? That's what I think of you, tree. Whee. See if that HE-51 survives. Well, we lost 3 of our people. They've lost a good bit of their team. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of their players are missing. 2, 4, 6, yeah. We've lost 8 of their players. We've only lost 3. So we're at a huge advantage right now, actually. So the last 4 ground targets are right there. I wonder if I can sneak in and kill right here. No, one of those AAs, but I don't think so. I think I got that one, so I was gonna get that one. Oh, they're not actually counting towards it. I wonder if they've lost any more players. Nope, just thought some of that lost. How many tickets do they got? So they only have 400 tickets left, and we have... We have 2,100 tickets. KI-10. And an I-15. Alright, so I'm gonna go for the KI-10. Or should I go for the... You know what? Heads up with the freaking fire on time. What's more exciting than that? For one, not dying from it. And going into another one.
Just keep it up, and victory will be ours.
Oh, I actually got him on fire.
Let's go home.
Cool, got another kill. So 6 kills, man. I mean, it was a low tier match, so technically I probably should have been getting 7-8. I mean 6 to 8, so yeah. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching this. Be sure to, you know, do everything in my outro. Why am I getting modifications for Blenheims? Oh, 250, 200, 500. Yeah, I really don't see what the point of that 130 caliber machine gun in the front does. Actually, the before is actually better than the Blenheim, because it's got a twin 50 right there. That's a twin 50 right there. Got twin 50s right here, and then twin 30. So yeah, bye.